If you have downloaded APK files on your Android phone and want to remove them, you can delete them in just a few simple steps. First, if you installed an app using an APK file, uninstall that app before deleting the APK file. To uninstall the app, press and hold the app icon on your phone, then select App Info from the pop-up menu. On the App Info page, tap Uninstall and confirm the removal. After uninstalling the app, you can delete the APK file from your device. Open the Files app on your Android phone and use the search option to find saved APK files. Once you locate the APK file you want to remove, press and hold it. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Move to Trash. Next, open the Trash folder inside the Files app, select the APK file, and delete it permanently. Once removed from the trash, the APK file will be completely deleted from your phone, freeing up storage space. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.